we all experience breakdowns in our relationship. Whatever relationship is that, magulang, jowa, asawa, whatever relationship, we all experience breakdowns. We all make mistakes. Nakasakit ka, nasaktan ka, nakasakit ka ng ibang tao, or maybe some of us here pumunta ka dito, you are experiencing or suffering from broken relationships. But I want to tell you this morning, my good news. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, my good news.
My good news.
The good news is, almost any relationship can be repaired with this one simple key. What is the key to repairing relationships? It is humility. Pakisabi po, humility. 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 5. Pakibasa po. 1, 2, 3, go!
In the same way, you who are younger, submit yourselves to your elders. All of you, love yourselves in humility toward one another. Because God opposes the proud, but shows favor to the humble.
Clothe yourselves with humility towards one another. The Bible tells us that the secret to great relationships is humility. Psalms chapter 25 verse 9, sabi po doon, God guides the humble in what is right and teaches them His way. So what is humility? Bakit natin pinag-uusapan tong humility na to? So humility is often misunderstood. Ang sabi ng mga tao kapag sinabing humility, hindi po ito yung you're putting down yourself all the time. Yung sinasabi mo na, hindi naman ako magaling. Hindi po humble ang tawag doon. When you are humbling yourself, hindi mo ida-down yung sarili mo. May mga nagsasabi kasi kapag humble ka, ang sinasabi mo, hindi, siguro mas magaling talaga sila kaysa sa akin. Hindi humble ang tawag doon. Siguro pangit nga talaga ako tapos maganda siya. O kaya gwapo siya. Hindi po humility ang tawag doon. Wala naman akong kwenta. May mga nagsasabi po, it's often misunderstood na yun po humility, but that's not humility. Diba? You are valuable. Mahalaga ka. And the cross clearly tells us that you are valuable.